Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did these passion twists in my hair using the banding method. I have my hair braided and I just did that to keep it stretched, and I used no heat for this hairstyle. So right now I'm just detangling this last section of hair that I'm working with, and then I'm taking my rat tail comb to put it in the sections for the actual twist. So like I said, I used absolutely no heat on this hairstyle, so this would be really good for anybody who doesn't like to put heat on their hair. You don't have to have it blow dried or anything to achieve this style. So now I'm taking my jam and I'm just basically slapping it on the entire section of my hair, literally from root to end. I want my hair to almost be like really stiff, straight, just like that. So I'm gonna separate that section in half, and then I'll be taking the hair for the twist and laying it right in the center of my hair. You guys are gonna see in a sec. I'm laying it right in the center of my hair and then just holding it in place, and then I'm going to take the two pieces together and use a rubber band to hold it in place. So this is just an alternative from using the crochet method, because I've seen people put their hair in the rubber band first and then crochet the twisting hair in. So this way you don't have to use that crochet. You can literally just wrap the rubber band over that hair. So now I'm just kind of stretching out and separating that piece of hair just so it blends with my hair better, so it's not like super thin and compact. And then I'm just simply twisting it down like I would a normal twist. So yeah, this method I'm using, I feel like it's pretty straightforward and really easy to do. I kind of just picked up on different videos I've watched and techniques that people have used and kind of just did what works for me. And like I said, I don't really like blow drying my hair that often, and I just didn't want to take that extra step of having to have my hair be blow dried, so I just wanted to try it out in its natural state, and it worked really well for me, and I think my hair blended really well with using that jam. So again, I just put that jam all over my hair and then split it in half and put the twisting hair in between it, and then rubber band my hair over it so it stays in place. I will be twisting it down again as usual. I don't remember the name or the brand of the hair that I'm using, but I did get it from my local beauty supply store. I can see if I still have the packaging and look for the name for you guys and just list it down below. I don't know if you'll find it on Amazon or anything, but I will have those details for you in my description. So yeah, this was my first time trying passion twist, and I really liked this method that I was using. By the way, I actually rubbed some oil on the rubber bands just to give them a little more slip so they don't stick to my hair. And you don't want to tie the rubber bands like too tight, because it will make your head hurt. I had to redo a couple just because they were like way too tight and it was pulling on my hair too much. So I just simply undid the rubber band and did it over, and it was fine, just making it a little looser. But yeah, once the hair is like in, it's really just straightforward, and I twisted down as usual and there was no problems. My hair blended really well, so I like that a lot. There was no issues with that, because I thought I might have a problem since my hair was in its natural state, but I had no issues at all. So this is what my hair is looking like, and I think it looks really cute. I decided to do something different and get this burgundy ombre. I didn't really like it at first, but it definitely grew on me the longer I had it, and I think this hair was 22 inches. I didn't realize it was this long when I went to the store, but it's fine. I think it was really cute. And I didn't show you guys, but I did put some styling foam on my hair and just tie down my edges and stuff, and then that was my last step. But this is what my hair looked like at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.